Okay, so we're picking up where we left off yesterday. We got through blinding, so today we're going to start in placebos.
Hey, that's the thing where you do the thing that's not real.
Yeah, it's like the
sugar pill.
Control, the control variable. Is that what it's called?
No.
Isn't it?
I always think of like an unborn baby.
Isn't it? Huh?
It is. You're right.
That's exactly what Kenny said last night.
Did you really?
He was like, "Isn't that like the belly button?"
The umbilical
But
cord?
like,
The placebo?
this.
What?
Yeah, well,
sounds
I said
like-
placebo, and that's what he asked. I was like, "No,
yeah.
that is
No,
not
it
it."
sounds like an unborn baby.
Wait a dang minute.
Something is pertaining to that. Like, I know what it is.
No, wait.
All right, placebo, a fake treatment
I think. Actually.
that looks like the real thing. The placebo effect
Oh, I know that.
is a result when people respond positively to a placebo treatment because they believe they will get an effect from it. So it's like basically they mentally believe that whatever they're getting is working. So they're like, oh yeah, it works. I feel great. And in reality, they didn't get anything.
It's kind of embarrassing.
I watched this documentary.
It's really funny once they find out.
It's like
Sometimes they just won't tell them because they're like, well, it solved the problem.
Yeah, one time I watched this documentary about like pills and like what they did to people, like not anything bad or anything, but they like did a test on and they did placebos and it was basically like they were whatever, but they were like, yeah, I actually did better on it because I took the medicine and they were like, you weren't even given the medicine.
It's like that thing when you have food that's like cooked with like alcohol in it, and like little kids will be like, oh my gosh, I feel so drunk, the alcohol is already cooked out of it.
Oh
so it's
yeah,
like,
we did.
you know,
Yeah.
that's yeah.
All right, randomized blocks. If we are testing a flea collar on a group of cats, and dogs, we would block by cat or dog. And then randomly assign within each block to the new or old collar. Sometimes we match subjects into pairs because they are similar in some way, not understudy, For example, match by age, or exercise habits, income level, etc. Confounding variables. When we can't separate the effects of multiple factors. So, for example, is student satisfaction higher in one class than another? Due to a different teaching style, or because one class is at 8 a.m. and another at 10 a.m. And then going back to our lurking variable, a lurking variable is usually something not understudy that is associated with two variables that make it look like one is causing the other. For example, if y'all remember our cell phone usage versus life expectancy. Alright, so that's all the notes. So we'll move to examples momentarily.